No matter what your memories are, there's one place in this town that's seared itself into the collective memories of locals for 50 years with gobs of gooey cheese. I'm talking about Chris Madrid's, a staple on the north side since 1977 and topping its burgers with more cheese than is legal in some countries. But this is Texas. And this is Pedro, who's been a staple here for 17 years.
All right, Pedro, what do we have here, man?
This is our signature macho nachos. It's a corn tortilla shell with beans, picadillo, which is ground beef with spices, and a shredded cheese on top that we melt. We want every chip to have something on it.
Not just something, a macho amount of something.
Yes, a lot of something.
Oh, that's really good. What is it about a Chris Madrid's burger that has made it so iconic?
It's the amount of cheese. If you love cheese, you love Chris Madrid's.
Okay,
Because we do real shredded mild cheddar cheese that we melt and put on top of your burger. It's not nacho cheese, it's not whiz from a can. It is so special, we don't let anybody film that process of it.
Wait, hold up. We don't get to see it.
Nope.
They're not even gonna let us in the kitchen to see the cheese melting.
What? We'll see about that. Chris Madrid is a name so cool, it almost sounds fake. But he was an actual person who the entire community loved until he passed away back in 2012.
Oh, he was great. He was energetic all the time. He was always running the tables, greeting people. But the one iconic thing about him was he had slicked back black hair. And everybody knew him for that. He was always just slicking it back.
Well, that's it. You got the nacho grease, you know?
Yeah,
it's good pomade. I mean, that's why a place is around this long. And even when the namesake passes, his name and legacy is so important to San Antonio that it doesn't change.
Nope.
Part of this joint's lore is the building itself, which is a combination of an old gas station and an ice house, but one that was almost completely lost to a massive fire back in 2017.
Everything from this wall in the bar burned down, but we rebuilt it the way it was before. We wanted to keep that nostalgia.
Not only is the food good, but there's a vibe inside of Chris Madrid's that's one of the reasons you come here.
We always want it to be a fun place where you come by, and then no matter what's going on in the world, this is your little oasis.
See, that's awesome.
Yeah.
When the world gets you down, there's no cheddar place to be. But now about that cheese.
Wait, this is employees only.
Well, I think it's back here.
I don't know if we can do this.
Oh, you can't be back here.
We were looking in the restroom.
Oh, no, we moved those. We moved those in the rebuild.
That's right, after the fire. Our bad. Just, we assumed it was, past the bread wall.
We'll get you a map.
Oh,
Okay,
Matt,
thanks, Pedro.
Okay.
Looks like their secret will live another day. But it's no secret in San Antonio that if you want a burger a little bit Texas and a little bit Tex-Mex, well, you go for the tostada burger.
That's a cheese pool right
That
there.
is a lot. There's cheeseburgers and then there's cheeseburgers. There are other toppings than cheese, but we got chips, beans, onions on the bottom. That's a classic right there. You got the creamy beans, which are basically a condiment. You got the crisp onions, the crispy chips. It's just a whole circus of textures going on. Also, they make homemade fresh salsa because, well, San Antonio. Such a solid burger.
Here's to 50 more years, Mr. Madrid. To see the full episode or to get info about how to visit this spot, trip on over to thedaytripper.com.